How you can access Chat GPT for free without using Chat GPT Plus. In this video, I will tell you top 3 easy steps in which you can follow these steps so you can easily access the Chat GPT for free without using Chat GPT Plus. So the third step is most important step. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. Now is the time of first step, that is download Bing AI. So simply open the Play Store and click on the search bar, and here you have to type Bing AI. So search it and download this browser simply. So click on install, and you can see that Bing chat with AI and Chat GPT-4. So simply open this browser. Now is the time of second step, that is sign in with your Microsoft account. So simply you can see the sign in option above the browser. So click on it, and now you can see tap to sign in option. So click on it, and again now you can see the Microsoft account sign in option. So simply you have to click on it. Okay, so I have to click. So now you can see the option here, you can enter your email. If you have Microsoft account, then you can simply log in, otherwise create one. So I don't have, so I have to create. So here you have to enter your email account. After this you have to click on next button. Now you have to create your password, and now you have to enter your first name and last name, then click on next, and here you have to select your country and birthday. So I have to select here, and now you have to click on next. Here you have to verification code that is sent to your email. So after you verified, you have to again verify this appreciates. So now you have to complete your second step. Now is the time of third step, that is access Chat GPT-4. You can see the Bing logo button, so click on it and join the wait list. So now you are entered with Chat GPT-4. Allow the permissions, and now you can see the choose a conversation style. So here you can easily select any one of them as you wish. After this you have to, here you can see the options of mic and keyboard. Here you can select any one of them to type your commands. So I have to command that write a poem about Bing. So it is example of ChatGPT-4 that how it works. Okay, so now it is starting to generate a poem about Bing. It has done its work, or it's very nice too. Now I have a second question, that is give me AI summary about computer. So what will be results, we will see that. So I have to enter this, and now it is starting to generate this type of results. So computer programming is the process of designing and building computer programs. So it is a very good summary about computer programming. It is Chat GPT for free, so you can easily access this. So I hope this video will helpful to you. See you in the next video.